Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the specific Kai coil or internal conversion kit for your iPhone model and the necessary tools. Once done, power down, remove the SIM tray and heat the back glass evenly to soften adhesive. Make sure to keep screws organized and label connectors as you lift the rear assembly. This prevents reassembly errors. You'll separate the display or back glass carefully with a suction and pick, exposing the internal chassis. Move deliberately and avoid prying near fragile flex cables. You now position the Kai coil over the designated charging zone and align it with screws and mounting points. This ensures magnetic coupling. Once aligned, connect the coil to the charging controller or to the dedicated conversion flex using the supplied connector or precision soldering. Make sure ground and positive lines are correct. After connecting, insulate exposed joints with Kapton tape, route any cables under existing brackets, and secure the coil with low-profile adhesive. Use the multimeter to verify. You finish by reinstalling the rear glass or panel with fresh adhesive, pressing evenly to seal and replace screws to their original positions. Once assembled, place the phone on a certified Kai charger and watch for the charging indicator. If you see it, monitor a few minutes to confirm stable current and temperature. If you don't get a charge, make sure the coil continuity is good, the connector is fully seated, and no metal braces or a thick case sits between coil and charger. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.